Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting power and accessories in order. Plug the original charger in until the LED shows a full charge. This avoids interruptions during setup. Attach the keyboard and pen now, because pairing later can delay your flow. Press and hold the top power button for 2 to 3 seconds to boot. Once the Windows logo appears, you'll move into configuration. Make sure Wi-Fi credentials are ready, and choose a quiet spot so prompts are readable and you can follow along. You now configure the system and inputs. During the out-of-box experience, select language, region, and sign in with your Microsoft account so settings sync. Once connected to Wi-Fi, allow initial updates to download. After the first reboot, go to Settings, then Update and Security to complete any remaining patches. Next, calibrate touch and pen behavior in devices, and map keyboard shortcuts if you added a type cover. Doing this now prevents misbehavior later and ensures your gestures and pressure feel natural. Finish by installing key apps and securing your tablet. Download Office, your browser of choice, and enable OneDrive so documents auto-sync. This protects work and makes recovery simple. Turn on BitLocker and set up Windows Hello, Face, or Fingerprint to speed logins. If something goes wrong, try a force restart first, then check Device Manager for driver updates and run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit. If problems persist, use recovery options to reset or restore. Keep backups so you never lose important files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.